Welcome to a new tutorial of GeoAwareness to learn how to add a WhatsApp button on your website. The WhatsApp button is a plugin. You need to go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and here in the search bulk, you will need to type WhatsApp. This is the one that I've chosen. Click to chat. You need to install it, and once it is done, you need to also activate it. It brings you automatically to your installed plugins, and you see it here. Click to chat. Now you need to go to settings to put here your phone number. You need to choose the country and add your number here. This is optional, a pre-filled message. This is what the customers will send to you. So you can leave it empty, or you can say something like, "Hello, I want to know more about your services," or any text that you wish. Scroll down, call to action, WhatsApp us, or you can also leave this blank. Now you can work on the style and position. It's a green square icon as you see here. You can also choose another style, a round icon, a large icon. I like this one. The position time is fixed. It means that when you scroll on your website, the WhatsApp icon will be always at this place. You can see here that is at the bottom right. And opens the link in a new tab. You can here choose to, for example, disable that in the computer and only have the chat button on the mobile, or you can have it in both. You can show the WhatsApp icon on all your pages, or you can just hide it if you want. Override global settings. Let's say that I want to show my WhatsApp icon only in my homepage. So I can say that I disable it on my blog post and on other pages. You can choose here what you find the most convenient. Just need to save changes. And let's check on my website. There it is. Let's test it. As you see, it opens in a browser in a new page, and it asks me if I want to open WhatsApp from this browser. So you're all done. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if this video was handy for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for more very handy tutorials for Divi and WordPress. See you next time.